Ready? Start. Under Indian Constitution as well, the persons oblique citizens have been given certain rights which are fundamental to the human existence. Stop. Out of those right to life and liberty guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution of India is one such right which is considered to be of such immense importance that it cannot be suspended even for the sake of or under the other provisions of the Constitution itself. Stop. Still, effort is made by the state to regulate even this right of the individual citizen in the interest of society or the existence of the state. Stop. One such aspect of such regulation of right of the individual to life and liberty is providing for the person alleged to have committed an offense to be kept in custody and the prohibitive conditions for his release on bail. Stop. Hence, there has been continuous debate on the right of individual not to be kept in custody during pendency of the trial and the privilege of the state to keep him in custody and to prescribe rigorous conditions for his release on bail if at all he can be. Stop. The present case also involves the same struggle between the individual's right to life and liberty and the might of the state. Stop. On seeing the police party, the petitioner tried to turn back. Stop. This led the police to have suspicion upon the petitioner. Stop. Therefore, the petitioner was apprehended by the police party. Stop. On being apprehended, the petitioner was told that the above said ASI suspected that the petitioner was carrying some intoxicating substance and that he was required to be searched. Stop. Therefore, the petitioner was allegedly given an option whether he wanted to be searched in presence of some gazetted officer or magistrate. Stop. The petitioner is alleged to have reposed faith in the above said ASI and expressed no objection to his search by the police party present on the spot. Stop. The police allegedly made effort to join some independent person in the process, but none came forward. Stop. Therefore, the search of the person of the petitioner was conducted by the said ASI. Stop. During the search, a plastic container containing 300 grams of intoxicating powder was allegedly recovered from the back pocket of pant oblique lower worn by the petitioner. Stop. The same was sealed into parcel and taken into possession. Stop. Accordingly, the above said FIR was registered on the basis of writing sent to the police station by the above said ASI. Stop.